Hello, this is Rick Patterson. Thanks for coming to my video today. Today I want to talk to you about how to install a TV wall mount. First thing you want to do is turn your TV over. Make sure it's secure where it doesn't fall. If you want to put it flat on the table, that's fine. Then you locate the secure, what I call the bracket screws. And this is what goes inside here on the very back. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is take the mounting bracket, and the bottom of my TV is here. So I want this little gadget right here, the catch-all, to be at the very bottom. Okay. So I'm going to have it towards the camera, towards the bottom, and then there are 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are also some corresponding holes there in the back. So I'm going to lay this down flat over the top of this, take a screw and put it in as a starter, like so, just to where I can keep everything lined up. And then I'm going to secure these. And with the final screw, just take this, go in. Do not hunker down on it. That's a southern term. I mean, just don't tighten down on it too much. Okay? So now we're ready to move to the next step. Now, a couple of things I want to talk to you about, let me get in camera, is the bracket. The bracket itself is not going to be on a stud, so I'm going to use a support here, and this basically is a driller toggle. I'll show you how this works specifically. Now the idea here is that I've already got it situated where I want it, and so I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. I'm going to make my X's, make sure it's straight. I will check that in just 1 second. I do have a little bit of I'm able to maneuver it both left and right. I'm okay with that right now. Now, this particular item it's like a toggle. So the screw goes inside here, and as it does, it pushes this down, and then when you tighten it up, it will screw back up inside, upward, and towards the sheetrock. So let me go ahead and do that now. And what I do on a situation like this is I'll just take up any type of a drill, anything to puncture the wall. Okay, so I got a hole started there. Do the same thing here. Just going to puncture the wall. That's all I want to do. Then I'll take my drill, okay, put it straight on in like that. Do the same thing up here. Okay. Now, got all that looking good, and it's going to be okay. We'll clean it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take my flat bracket, and I got to check to make sure that the head does not come through the hole, and it does, so I'm going to need a washer. Alright, so I've got the washer on now, and I want to make sure that I keep everything right, so these have to be pointed up on the sides here. I'm going to take this, push it in, get it started, do the same thing up below. By the way, I didn't mention earlier, these are 90-pound toggles, so this will hold vertical weight of 90 pounds. Now I'm not going to do the tighten up the bottom or the top. I'm going to put a torpedo on it. So once a torpedo level, this is called torpedo level. Once I get that torpedo level squared away the way I want it, then this is where and how I tighten everything up. Good there. Okay, and so that should make it level there. Check it one more time. Okay, all right. Now we're ready to go to the next step. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and plug this up. Okay, make sure this is on. Reset the GFCI. No red light should be on. Okay, once you got that, then what you want to do is mount this carefully up against the wall. Then reach up underneath and lock the mechanism. Okay, and once you have that, now it won't come off. Okay, it'll be loose, but it won't come off. All right. There you go, just as simple as this. Now, one important thing to remind you of, if you don't feel comfortable about working with the electrical section of this, go ahead and call a licensed electrician and have them do that for you. This is Rick Patterson with the Handyman Toolbox. I'll see you next time.